Guys, today we are here at a store called Bricks Minifigs with our friend Corey. This is a Lego store. Describe it to us a little bit.
At Bricks Minifigs, we sell all things Lego. We buy back Lego and we resell pre-owned sets, loose minifigures, bulk pieces. You can build your own minifigure, and you can even host your birthday party here.
It's amazing. We came in here to film and we played for an hour. This place is amazing.
So today we want to do an experiment with Lego. We have done some stuff with Lego pieces before, and today's venture is going to be a little bit more destructive than some other stuff. Lego is made from what's called ABS plastic, and ABS plastic is well known for not doing so well if it comes in contact with acetone. And so our thought is we can get a lot of acetone and a lot of Lego and see what happens when they meet. Our plan is to destroy something Star Wars themed. In fact, we're going to try and melt the Millennium Falcon.
Nate, we don't have a fish tank big enough for this.
Okay, I believe this is the largest Lego set that is made. So we're gonna go for not this Millennium Falcon, but this Millennium Falcon. We're gonna set up a fish tank, and then we're gonna pour a lot of acetone in and just submerge the Millennium Falcon in it. So this should be pretty great.
So, I mean, we can give it back to you, but like in a bucket.
Well, okay. Okay, so if we're gonna destroy one of these, then I think we need to see how it's built from the ground up, don't you think?
Oh, definitely, because it's not just outer, like there's the inner
yeah.
pieces. You can actually see inside this.
Yeah.
I want to see how this is put together.
We'll build one, and then we'll see what happens when we dunk it in acetone.
We've got our Millennium Falcon set up on a tank. We've also got it sitting over this large plastic tub, and that's because it's supposed to be watertight, and acetone shouldn't destroy the silicone that's holding these panes of glass together, but just in case it starts to leak, we don't want it to all fail catastrophically and just pour acetone everywhere. So if it does start to leak, it should mostly land in this tub, and so it's just a little bit of a precaution.
So as sad as this is, we still want as many angles as possible of the destruction that we're gonna be causing here. So we've got lots of GoPros, we've got lots of lights, we're gonna make sure that everything's time-lapsed.
All right, we've got 10 gallons of acetone.
I might do it.
Let's start pouring. Is that looking cloudy? I don't want it to look cloudy. It's super cloudy, actually. You can't even see through that. I think it's just dissolving the white bottom piece already. Yeah, where I'm pouring, it's already like smoothed it out a lot, it looks like.
I'm gonna pour on the clear, see what happens.
All right, this is starting to dissolve the Lego a lot
So much
faster than I
faster.
thought it was going to. The spots where we've been pouring it, like it's removing detail already. Like I'm pretty sure the sides where it's been poured on, like it no longer has the word Lego on the bumps and stuff like that. Acetone is actually very clear, so what we're seeing, all of this cloudiness, is when we're pouring it in, the white bottom of it was just dissolving that quickly.
Hopefully, it'll clear up just a little, just enough for us to see it.
It might settle.
Yeah.
Even this top part here that isn't under, but it's just been splashed on. Look at this. That's my fingernail just scraping right into that.
Well, you can see right here where I first started pouring. It's
Barrier
actually,
it and let it sit now.
yeah, that's stuck to my fingers.
Quick update, this has now been sitting in the tank of acetone for about an hour, and unfortunately, right as we poured the acetone in, it immediately started getting cloudy. We think that might be because the white base that it was sitting on and the blue background were actually not Lego brand. They were an off-brand, and yeah, it was probably a different formula of the plastic that dissolved even faster, and so it just went cloudy immediately, and now you can see that the acetone is basically all blue, even though there's only just those two blue plates in the back. So we are gonna try this again, including destroying a second Millennium Falcon, because we want to start with clear acetone and make it so you can actually see what's happening. It may still go cloudy as some of the Lego dissolves, but we wanted to at least start clear and then get cloudy. So now we're gonna try and take some of this out and see if this is just like mush.
Oh no. The stickers are almost staying.
See what happens if I try and lift the whole thing. Oh.
No!
Lift slowly, because it lifts real slow, because when it breaks, it's gonna splash down a lot.
I got it.
Oh, this piece.
Oh, there goes that one. Okay, it's gone.
I'm sorry, Han. Chewy. Forgive me.
You guys see this? It's like, you can kind of see the Lego pattern left as it just dissolves against my hand. Oh no.
Bowl full of spaceship.
This will no longer be making the Kessel run in 12 parsecs.
Uh-oh, it has weakened my glove. We wear nitrile gloves, which are fairly chemically resistant,
Nope.
but this has been
Mine's
too
gone.
much.
Mine's gone.
Prolonged contact with acetone on your skin is not a good idea. It's not like gonna instantly cause problems, but it's definitely not something you want to keep doing.
You use this stuff to take off nail polish and stuff, but I'm still gonna go rinse my hands anyways, because it went right through on me.
We're gonna try something else. We're gonna fill the tank with acetone, no base plate, no backdrop to it, and then we're just going to lower our Millennium Falcon down into it. I have done very small scale tests of putting Lego in acetone that way before, and we didn't get any cloudy when I did that, so hopefully we'll get a better result like this.
If this spills, we're saying goodbye to this kitchen.
Turn on the fan and just leave the house for a day.
So there's only one redeeming quality about melting this now. Nate has included himself in the melting process.
Gotta have a pilot.
So we've blended Grant, and now we're melting Nate.
I'll be fine.
Okay.
Let go.
I don't want
Let go. There you go. Carefully lower it down. Hear it filling with acetone.
Oh no.
Much less cloudy. All right, Yoda, pull it up out of the swamp. Come on, you can do it.
Do not, there is no try. It's slumping,
Is it
definitely.
already, really?
Yeah, and you can see, so it's hard to see on the camera right now. We'll see zoom in later, but if you're actually looking at it, the red color is actually already seeping away.
Oh, it is.
It is, you see that?
All right, let's let this sit for a while and just observe the destruction.
I do like destruction.
We've left this in for about 3 hours, and as you can see, we have achieved pretty total destruction. Oh, it's all over.
You did that.
Everything, I shouldn't touch it. There's just like this one center piece holding itself up. There's a couple of arch-shaped pieces of Lego in there, and those seem to be
They haven't melted at all.
oddly resistant.
I'm gonna touch it. Oh no, it's just barely supported right now. This is the end of the Millennium Falcon, you guys. Oh, nope, now it's a boat.
Look at that. So I can just like scrape off, and then these arches are like untouched. Okay, so not untouched, it's very fragile, but like, so a lot of the bricks, they seriously like swelled up, absorbed the acetone, and look at that goo. But these, they're like the exact same shape, so I'm guessing there's like different densities of Lego. Oh no.
I was gonna try and see if I could unsnap any of these Legos, see if any of them and they're still in the center. Okay, no. I think that's a no right there.
So this piece right here, it has like these little pegs on the side. And so I think there's a structural grade of Lego and a less structural grade of Lego.
you're
If
right.
it's not swollen up, you can still clearly read Lego on the bumps, and everything else hours ago became swollen and illegible and really soft.
Oh, hey, I found another survived piece because you can see it's still dry.
Oh,
Nothing
and
touched that.
it was just like enclosed so
Yeah.
entirely.
Yeah, but pulling it apart kind of feels like caramel popcorn. This is a rescue attempt.
I'm gonna try and pull my minifigure out.
He escaped the cockpit.
Oh no, no, no.
Hey!
I have become liquid, and I just got cut in half with a pair of tongs.
Hang on, I can fix you. Don't worry, I've got this.
Good luck.
There, you're fine. See?
Oh, I look great.
You're fine.
Oh, I think we should now take the remains of this Millennium Falcon back to the nice people who lent it to us.
Yeah, they did ask for it back.
We are back at the Bricks and Minifigs store, and we're here to present Corey with the remains of our Millennium Falcon.
Oh my
There you go.
goodness.
Just the way you gave it to us.
What did you do to my baby?
I'm so sorry.
Quick reminder, before,
After.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so how many gallons of acetone?
I think we used 8.
8 gallons of acetone.
8 gallons of acetone, yeah.
And then several days to evaporate, I'm guessing.
Yeah, we poured most of it off, but we didn't want to pour everything off because there was a lot of liquid Lego sludge in it as well. So we wanted to let it settle quite a bit. I gotta say, my favorite part is that there are just still a couple of pieces that didn't go anywhere. So this is the cockpit, and it's not clear anymore, obviously. It used to be clear, and now it's very opaque plastic.
But it's still intact.
You guys are braver than I, because, man, to do that to such a wonderful set.
It's true. Fortunately, you still have one.
Yes.
And we're not gonna ruin this one.
Okay, good. As he drops it, right?
Maybe don't let Nate hold it anymore.
Okay.
But this one you can.
Now this one?
Whoa,
Put that down.
Whoa,
Put that down.
whoa, come on, really.
Guys, that's not all. We've always got more for you to see. This box up here at the top will take you to our latest video. That box at the bottom will take you to what YouTube thinks you should be watching next. And if you hit this bomb in the middle, it'll subscribe you so you never miss out on the fun. Don't forget to ring that bell, and we'll see you in the next one. Talk to you then.